Third problem, factorize the following using appropriate identities. So we have to factorize. That means we have to take out factors by using identities. So let us solve this. In solution, before starting, we know that the square of 1 is 1. Let us write that 1 square is equals to 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So here we know 16x square, it is given 24xy plus 9y square. So here 16 is the square of 4. So we can write 4x whole square. Square of 4 is 16 and x square is x square. So here it is in the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. This is the identity we are going to use. So 2, what is a? We know that this is the a, 4x. So let us write here 4x. Then what is b? We can get easily if we know this one. It is the square of 3. So 9 is the square of 3. So 3y whole square. We know the 3. We know b is 3y. So 3y. When we multiply, we get 24. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 24xy. Next, we can write what is a? A is 4x plus 3y whole square. Square means it is 2 times. So these are the factors, 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. These are the 2 factors. Second bit, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Here it is minus, therefore we can say that a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is the identity we are going to use here. So let us write in solution what is given, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. And we know that the identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So which is equals to a minus b whole square. Now we have to find out what is a and what is b. So we know that 4 is the square of 2. We can write 2y whole square minus 2a. A is 2y. And b. Here it is the square. So 1 square. 1 is the square of itself. So we can write plus 1 square and 1 here. So if we multiply, we get that minus 4y. 2 to the 4. 4y 1 the 4y. Now we can write a minus b. So 2y minus 1 whole square. It is square. So we can write 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. These are the 2 factors. Third bit, 4x square minus y square by 25. So let us start. In solution, let us write 4. 4 is the square of 2. So we can write 4x square minus y square by 25 as 4 is 2. So 2x whole square minus y. 25 is the square of 5. So y by 5 whole square. Now we are having the identity. So the identity is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So we have to write this identity in reverse order. That means we are having a square minus b square. So we have to write a plus b into a minus b. So let us write what is a? 2x plus b is y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. These are the two required factors. Fourth bit, 18a square minus 50. So in solution, let us write what is given. 18a square minus 50. So this is the given. Both 18 and 50, they are having 2 as a common factor. In 2 table, both are coming. So that's why we can take out 2 common. So 2 9s are 18. A square minus 225s are 50. Okay. Next, 9 is the square of 3 and 25 is the square of 5. So let us write 2 into 3a whole square minus 5 whole square. So here the identity is, if we write in a reverse order, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We have to use this identity, or 2 is already there. What is a? A is 3a plus b is 5 and 3a minus 5. These are the required factors. So there are 3 factors. Fifth bit, x square plus 5x plus 6. So let us write, we have to factorize this. So we are not having anything like squaring. So that's why let us write x square plus 5x plus 6. To factorize this, as they are having 2 different numbers in this, like 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2 is 5. So for that type of problems, we have to factorize, or we have to use this identity. So the identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, and we get x plus a into x plus b. X square. So here, in place of a plus b, we have to think 2 such numbers. If we add those 2 numbers, we should get 5, and if we multiply those 2 numbers, we should get 6. So what are those 2 numbers? 2 and 3. Why? Because if we add 2 plus 3, we get 5, and if we multiply 2 and 3, we will get 2 3s are 6. So x plus, what is a? A is 2, and what is b? 3. So these are the 2 required factors. Sixth bit, 3p square minus 24p plus 36. So let us write that 3p square minus 24p plus 36. So these 3 numbers are coming in 3 table, or these are having 3 as a common factor. So we can take out 3 common. So 3 into p square, 3p square minus 3 8s are 24p plus 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 12s are 36. Next, here we can see that these are not the squares. That means if we want to factorize this, so these are having 2 numbers as sum, and there are 2 numbers whose product is present here. So for solving this, let us use the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equals to x plus a into x plus b. Next, 3 into p square minus or plus, if we write plus here, what is a? Now we have to think about 2 such numbers. If we add those 2, we should get 8, and if we multiply those 2 numbers, we should get 12. So 6 2s are 12, and 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 and 2. But here if you observe, the sign is negative, but they are adding. So that's why we have to put minus before them. What is x? X is p. plus AB. A is minus 6 and B is minus 2. So minus 6 into minus 2 is equals to 3 into X is P. So P minus 6 into P minus 2. These are the three required factors. Fourth problem, expand each of the following using suitable identities. So we have to use identities and solve this, or you can say that expand it. So in solution, let us write what is given. So given is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So it is in the formula a plus b plus c whole square, and the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the identity. Next, let us substitute this. If we substitute, we get a is x plus b is 2y whole square, c is 4z whole square plus 2a is x, b is 2y plus 2, b is 2y and c is 4z plus 2, c is 4z and x. X square, 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, y square plus 4 square is 4 4s are 16, z square plus 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 y z plus 2 4s are 8, z into x, zx. So this is the expansion. Second bit, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So let us solve this. In solution, let us write what is given, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is equals to, the identity is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Let us substitute in this identity. What is a? A is 2a. So 2a whole cube minus 3 into 2a square, and b is 3b plus 3a is 2a, b is 3b minus 3b whole cube. 2 cube is 8 and a cube minus 3, 2 square is 4, a square 3b plus 3 2s are 6a and 3 square is 9b square minus 3 cube is 27b cube. 8a cube, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 a square b plus 6 9s are 54 a b square minus 27 b cube. Third bit, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. So in solution, let us write what is given, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. To expand this, we are having the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So what is a here? Minus 2a, b is 5b, c is minus 3c plus 2a. A is minus 2a, b is 5b plus 2bc. So 2 into 5b and c is minus 3c plus 2c is minus 3c and a is minus 2a. Let us expand this. Minus square is plus 2 square is 4, 4a square plus 5 square is 25b square. Minus square is plus 3 square is 9, so 9c square plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, so 20ab plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30bc plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12ca, 12ca. Fourth bit, a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So let us solve this. So what is given? A by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. It is in the form a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let us substitute. So what is a? A is a by 4 whole square and b is minus b by 2 whole square plus c is 1. So 1 square plus 2ab. A is a by 4 and b is minus b by 2 plus 2b is minus b by 2. C is 1 plus 2c is 1. And a is a by 4. A square is a square, 4 square is 16 plus square of minus is plus, b square is b square by 2 square is 4 plus 1 square, 2 cancel plus into minus, minus a into b, ab by 4 plus into minus, minus 2 cancel, minus b 1s are b plus 2 1s are 2 2s are. So a by 2 1s are a by 2. Fifth bit, p plus 1 whole cube. So let us solve this. In solution, let us write what is given, p plus 1 whole cube. So it is in the formula a plus b whole cube. So we can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So what is a? A is p cube plus 3 p square and b is 1. So 1 plus 3, a is p and 1 square plus 1 cube. So p cube plus 3p square 1s are 3p square. 3p, 1 square is 1. So 3p 1s are 3p plus 1 cube is 1. Sixth bit, x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So let us solve this. So what is given? X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So it is in the formula a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Let us substitute. What is a? A is x. So x cube minus 3. A is x. X square. B is 2 by 3 y plus 3a is x. B is 2 by 3 y whole square minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So x cube minus 3 1s are 3 1s are. So 2 x square into y is x square y plus 3 x, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and y square minus 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27 y cube. Next x cube minus 2x square y plus 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 4 by 3 xy square minus 8 by 27 y cube.